Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to safely eject USB drives on Samsung phone. Let's have a look. For this video I am using SanDisk dual drive USB Type-C and Samsung S23 Ultra. To unmount or eject USB drive from Samsung phone, first you need to open My Files app under Samsung folder. Here, scroll down and you will see your connected USB storage. Tap on it to explore. You need to tap three dots on top right and tap Unmount. USB storage unmounted. If needed, you can use mount to reconnect USB drive. Finally, remove or unplug USB drive from your Samsung phone. Method 2. If you are using SanDisk drive on your Samsung phone, open Play Store, then download SanDisk Memory Zone and open SanDisk Memory Zone. Beside your phone storage, you will see your connected SanDisk drive. Tap on it, then tap the eject button. Finally, tap eject. That's it. These are the steps to unmount or eject USB drives on Samsung phone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.